Monies from UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world, Supersonics Money Transfer has got you covered. With the largest payout network in the Gambia, you can now receive your monies anywhere you are, from Kartong to Koina, with less hassle. Yes! You can receive monies from your family and friends in UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world with our safe, secure, fast, and convenient service that offers you the largest selection of payout locations in the Gambia. Supersonics Money Transfer. We are currently in 34 African countries and counting, giving you quality money remittance services that are second to none. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple Store today to download the Supersonics Money Transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics.
Kan kabidron vendi muruta nan code jang high court Banjul sare kono bilom til woroti melan ko wala october ti komi ngal yala nyame Sainabou Mbaye kadabula ala mulla melan ko mosabol melan ko lebe kes nyin kono bi fanan komi ngal yala nyame bilom wi muruta nan fanan bawo kes nyin ajon tale melan ko wala keta kununti dami yalan ko ila examination melan ko wala bitama kan melan ko state la yemole menati melan ko wana na pour kala witness so di wala adama bojanti so wala examination be continue la bi fanan ko wala baje kan nyame sante nata komi yayi dan di nyamen kes nyimbe star la 10 o'clock le bi somandala so nyinte meno don komal baje kan nyame felenti be sele kanne ibida kan ko rumo nyin kono so jiki ata mela baka don be siwonye star la dame yalan ko examination o nyimbe murula niamo examination o wala mu state la council o me yalan ko wala lori man sakunda to yala ila witness o me yalan ko wala nat nangi ba fala adama bojang e bola examine kan komi ya ba samba kan through ala test statement o men di wala ate men sede ya wato men na problem o nyimbe keka so wala fende me yalan ko bola sa en kan kunu bari time o man raje wala time o nyim man sotuno wala sabu akada fende me yalan ko amam banno barni alsonta bi njikita ko wala examination on cross examination be bannale so ya da nyame witness do fana mina kanne mi yalan ko masakunda wolle fana parande pour gol fana sinana pour kana ila testimony di nyim la nyinto ko mi ngafa nyame don nyinta non la wolbe keri njam gamen talent tv mbale janne andum be kata kol be kala pour femfendim be nyanta kala femfendi wala femfending transparent je don ala mba bondila lel ko mi alba ke kanyame albaje kanyame do nyinte non la Sainabou Mbaye Chorno Mbaye ani kebli dembele idunda ko rumo kono sa entem ko albaje kanyame di prison officers wol bijele anen fanan som paramilitary wala moldi milalan ko itala escort pour ka dundi kono to jeto dami yalan ko wala ko rumo nyinde nyinte non don justice jobate jayterada ibabatun kanne atlo mod mi yalan ko atabe sirin kito nyin kunna nyinte non la tam futana folo bari na ta jaron wolom jandinte no club wasila sirin nyimbe datalale mi yalan ko wala mu ila trial oti mi yalan ko ko mal yalan nyamen ye formal indictment ya dundi le wolom charge sol mi yalan ko ye wala dundi ko mi ngafa nyamen kunum ka manslaughter lamu anem fanan exposing a child to danger ya ni charge fulo le la ñu mo sabolu kan so ñin temme wala don ila loyal bi jele mi yalan ko be defend kanne mi yalan ko wala ayda dramedy atam loyalty ko be gay anen sagar jahate wala molti mi yalan ko wala be loren defense ni molto yalla mi yalan ko ye wala tumi ko wala bulotar la ñin dindim ñina sayato so mi yalan ko wala be loren masakunda to yalla fanan kunu men funtita je wala loyal lamil jobatati atlam mod mi yalan ko abiji ani f drame atlo molti mi yalan ko itol funtita jeede pour ka lo man sakunda to ya ñin temeno do wolbe kerin sanno ifrada nan ko rumo ñinto bara at kera ñaw do mba bonna sa boy
wa mete di leen nuyu benn yoon comme nu la ko waxee saa su nekk tey tam ñu ngi fii si Banjul si high court bi comme nu la ko diggee woon dem ma tey la jooji court yi Sainabou tam di contest ak rakam di Chorno ak Kimili moo tax nga jamono bi léegi la agsi ni ñu si court room bi pour ñu waajee commencé affaire bi waxtu bi jotu ko waa léegi la ñoom dugal si famille membre yi tamit ñoo na ñu mel ni magam ni ak rakam ñoo tam excellent léegi comme loo ngeen nekk di xool jamono ji ni sécurité yi ñu taxagum si bunta bi waa ñoom Sainabou Mbaye ak rakam di Chorno Mbaye ak Kibili ak ñoom accident jamono ji ñu si biir court house bi comme de madame am na seede bu desoon moom moo jot moom moo waxoon ba daal di waxtu bi bu mu jotee si lañ aj mbir bi ba tey ji moo fas yéene a continuer moo tax jamono njiita comme ni ma ko waxee saa su nekk ñu nga mentale saa su nekk dina leen toppal mbir bi ba fu mu yem dara udu leen su umpa rawatina yéen ñi nekk di seetaan bitim réew comme ni nga ko baaxutee li ngeen bëgg a xam si code bi nu mu fa demee bem leen na ñun dina leen ko indi fii si Gambian Talents TV madi ngo ko min fare ñaaɓe mbi fana seeɗamo min kadi ala pot kesi ana addo ko min kata cono mbayti anin kibi ñin tembo aɓe bilaɓe kondine ñin tembo Sainabou Mbaye ate nata sain len kay ko ana addo ko ma
mal baje ka nyame nyinte mala Sainabou Mbaye Cerno Mbaye anin Kibli Mbaye dun dale ay dun tako rumo kono nyinte mala mal baje ka nyame molbe lorum bandal senten ay mi ala pour ka dum folo ngamel dron telang tang ni wasira dron bawo yayi tandiko kito nyi bedat la wala so nin talan tan sira dron mi be kito nyi dat la de dame yalon ko jojo nyi me yalon ko wala sira kunna Ibrahim Jaite amon futanam folo bari ngaji ko abe janna nyinte me wala bari teno ko loklam sirin nyi be stade la so nyin kamal dron bole batun kan coming babu ya fanya men sirif konde be kono dole andung abe ila moro kala ko lel melaran ko ni wala kada je andum fana nafunta nan aba explain na mole coming ko tara nyame coming dron kala kilo blandi kunun ko tara nyame wala kunun coming ay tande nyame kunun dram ila examination ni cross examination o kada dam yalan ko P44 wala prosecution witness mona ne jam yalan ko wala apiata ade code kunun me yalan ko wala Bakar Dibate molti me yalan ko assistant superintendent no me yalan ko police do ko wala woldo ando ay tan di jele ko atata do ko wala police wala bundato fo me yalan ko asiata sanji tan anim fulati ando fana ay tan di ko unit o me yalan ko ka fo le serious crime unit ay do ko fana to fo me yalan ko ata sanji tan anim kilinti ay nyilbe tan di jele andum molati me yalan ko ay tan di ko atabe sabaring burfoot sadal kono wala tabe livre woldo han ka bi doron coming wato men examination o nyindrida me yalan ko wala examine wala state la council de me yalan ko la min jobate lo yalan mo atafanati atamoti me yalan ko atle examination o nyinke me yalan ko wala mu superintendent assistant superintendent Bakar Diba andung anay question and answer kele da me yalan ko ka try ka kolni establish bawa bañi nga kanne wato menna itle information o sodo kayitandi ko me yalan ko wala mu ñing incident oti kayitandi ko itel bela office otole andu ayitandi ko ye file sodo me yalan ko abudana bundun serious crime unit ni ko bundun serious crime unit o fenen me yalan ko akoy file o ñin sodo wolto file me yalan ko Sainabou Mbaye plus Kibli Dembele anin Corno Mbaye wala la ko biji andum me yalan ko o dalilo me asabu je fa wala mu ñindi ko ya idan la ko ye bulo sodo dinding ñina asaya tole ako wala sabu kamale to wulta o nyama itata la ñindo sini do dami yalan ko ko ñi keta wala do me yalan ko wala bursubiti so itandi ko kabi fulata bursubi ye kata ko kele pour ka ila reconstruction o ke wala kasino nyinta ka reconstruct ni ko reconstruct wala fendi me yalan ko ka jibe dami yalan ko bawo ya itan le ko moto be pakrin damen do moto me yalan ko ay nyil bulata wala kono wala edunta moto men kono kanana fo bursubi jeto akoy moto nyinta le jebe mezole moto be lorin damen ala ko masin kata nyile kordame yalan ko wala rent wala ya kata luwa so ka kordame do ye wol be tale ke je jibe ka jebe suman anin fana me yalan ko ya itandi ko bero bi jele me yalan ko ani moto nyi manjam fa nyola bage andu ya itandi ko mo saban jam me yalan ko wala accuse pasenti me yalan ko wala Kibil Dembele ya itandi ko o basiro bero nyi kan so itandi akoy nyi dal betale yesu manne da me yalan ko nyi karo ni jabiro dunta anin consulte mo me yalan ko wala lamin jobatati nyi la nyi do o be kera fenen me yalan ka be kera kulunne so diamo nyi nata ta fofu data cross examination to ani ko cross examination wala fende me yalan ko loyal me yalan ko wala defense ti wala be lore nyi moli me yalan ko ya wala tumi ina tan nyi ka me yalan ko wala lamin jobatati ka nyi ka da me yalan ko ya nyi ka ro dunta ni wote men tema wala fenketi ka me loya kombe gay ummoti me yalan ko ani cross examination okay ay nyim witness o me yalan ko wala prosecution witness ti Bakar Diba witness ni wala ñinin karo ni jabara dun dana tema anno fana ñinin ka questionol dolle mi yalan ko wala be dendi moto ñinna bawo te molti mi yalan ko ay tan di jelo ko moto ñi imawo mezo wala moto ñinna perimeter ñi imawo mezo anno fana korda mi yalan ko wala newly rented house ñinti ya korda mel luwasi ay tan le ko fana ima o fana mezo ila bawo ate men fo wala ñinti ko wol they are not part of their investigation ila investigation mo focus wala kan so wala kinani amanjare to le pour ye moto nyinta yo mezo anin fana korda ni yo ya itan dala yolbe itan dala le ka itan de ko moto nyi melan ko wala mu ni ya men fo Sainabou nyol bulata moto min kono fenen melan ko ablorin opposite korda ni na to melan ko ablor wala korda bundato bara itan le ko fenen melan ko to nyalti moto nyi be station ding opposite maron kundale korda do bije ka fa me maron kunda so jilbe fenen melan ko wol cross examination la dudde tema witness o nyi melan ko wala comme geti itan di jelo ko council rada melan ko wolom comme geti defense council le madi wato min en nyimbe ka chanyin ke kan itandi jela ko itle witness o me wala ye schedule men do because do yajibe schedule do bala membe je wo mantra do nyimbala so I tanda la ko ila investigation is not done properly and but me alan ko witness or the prosecution witness akaman so wala they did their investigation properly so o afana man so ko nyinna so nyinla kera je ina tana witness do fana na me alan ko wala adama bojate mu molet me alan ko abe sabatri nyin lale to da me alan ko Sainabou ñela korda luwas jelato so ata keda moti me alan ko anata nyin akabe ata fanala ko wala nyin sayin kanne wala examination oti bawo state la council ni lamen jobate wala baji nin kakan wato minna ata yalo nyaadi la ko nyin be kay kam itan di jelo ko ata be siring ala korda kono banda dame yalan ko aje moto natna moto me yalan ko alota ila ala korda nyin na opposite la akaya jotu molam mo fula jita okay aka wotumo lam aje mo fula jita o mo fulol mele alan ko jita ako do nyi wala mo moto bornde ka wala chorno mbayti me alan ko ala aba siring drive dala wala Sainabou mbayti anno fana kaya jele dindim fula fana fundina na moto nyi kono je so dindim fulol nyi ama wollon ako wotumo lam meta do manding asira ata wulta ata ala korda kono akabi je doron watu mina 5 o'clock prayer sali akabi je ay wuro moy walla ay chocho moy banda wotumo la fundira nam banda akay dinding je mobulu e ka me kibili dinding nyim yalan ko akabalo be sinan dinne akay nyin karo ke jumal la dinding mu nyindi andum fana mu nekete ala akoy kay la ko nyilla nyinate la dinding la moto kono andu akotumo watu men wuro nyimbe kering ibe jiro dani kam pour ka joso dindinga ako barka brata ka funde atare ye joso dinding kan already andum dinding nying ta aka tar sallo be do bulje wala be ma ko rolo pour ka joso dinding nying kan ba tar joso kan already andung abalo be sinan dinne so nyine kala fende mi alan ko wala examination nyindi andung aji ko bi fana go examination kilin ni wala continue la mi alan ko wala adama bojanti abe murul nan bi fana pour kana examination ni continue mi alan ko wala ba ning consulter ma mi alan ko wala state council di examination ni wala continue la bi fana so no bataje abe cross examination fana kelale ni ko cross examination wala from the defense council wala fana be ñin karo kelala ñin muso ñin na mi alan ko adam bojande pour ka ñin ka ate kumol me fo wala ate aji nyaade ko ñin kila nyala bar jannun ka fuda wato drum komi wato min nabe nare sonola ka itande ko ya itanda ko ñin la ñina tela dinding la moto kono awtumo do interjection ko wala objection ko mi alan ko wala defense council la modo mi alan ka faye loya ayda drame o kera mod mi alan ko objection ko itande je ko ñin mi alan ko wala mum witness o ñindi prosecution witness ka me atlo molulu jandi kat kanala testimony di ñin kes ñindo wala adama bojandi itandi yela ko obe cool men fo kan akumta dron wala mo hiya selede fenno mi alan ko ya faile amanka ko fende mi alan ko kita nyalale so kabira o fo state defense council fanan kera mot mi alan ko afana wulta lota itandi ko ala witness o mi alan ko wala adama bojandi ab ko men fo kan amanke hiya sede wala amanke fende mi alan ko ya faile bawo wate molti mi alan ko funditale andum ajele ko wol mi tama kan so me alan ko wala justice Ibrahima Jadedi telebe ko wol nyin tamandi kam afana ke damo mi alan ko akidi o te nyi mo lo ya fulol nyin tema me alan ko defense council aning ñing council do mi yalan ko wala be lori mansa kundato ala state council kido te temala tan di jelo ko ni mu fenden mi yalan ko amanke hiya seti wala amanke fende mi yalan ko mol la fa bawo muso ñing ata mol mi yalan ko akata nyala jele so itambira woto la dami yalan ko examination on continue again bari time o tije bawo ya itandi ko folom 420 lom ibe close la so kamala time o mansur no ina na close ya adjoin to be wolom BT inshallah ibe murula nan ko ni 10 o'clock sida ka jibe ko bi da kan nyame so basically nyine mu fende me alon ko wala transpire ta kunum me alon ko wolom Sainabou Mbaye Cerno Mbaye anin kibli dembelti ila case me alon ko be keri nyam ka itandi ko itel bulo tarta bebi Muhammad dinding me alon ko wala min jo dara ya itandi ko itel ni mo sabol nyingi bulo ba kono le so wolam tumiroti me alon ko ye wala lay kan bari comme ngala yalo nyamen drum luwa ni wala kitiyo nyi wala to nyanyi sabati la bol santeng nyi temno donc ebe cede jaro li bol jibe kan me alon ko wala minana pour kana ila cede jaro di jang police wol mo lani natle me alon ko wala police wolti andu mo lulu nyang wonat na ko mo me alon ko mo wala me alon ko be sabati ko dani dol me alon ko Sainabou nyol be sabati wolto so nyi temno dro wala be keri jang high court jang government and civil lam comme nga fa nyamen drom sirif konte be kono to jela dum ko wolta la nyanya dron aba fundla nan aba explain na mol nim ko wolta la nyame against them, that is manslaughter and also exposing the child to danger. Those are the two charges that were levied on them. So the police are bringing in their witnesses. On Monday, they brought 3 witnesses, and Tuesday also the same thing, and then Tuesday the same thing, Wednesday also the same thing, and today also we are back here again, and then they adjourn their proceedings. So today 10 o'clock, and then we are back again with one of the witnesses, that is Adama Bojang. Where we stopped yesterday was the examination of Adama Bojang, the council that was representing the state. It was Lamin Jobate and then F. Drame. Those are the 2 people that we are representing the state. So for the defense lawyers is lawyer either Gay, either Drame rather, Kombe Gay, and then Sagar Jahate. Those are the 3 people representing the accused persons. So from there, when the judge came in, that is Justice Ibrahim Ajede, they started the proceeding by cross-examination, because yesterday or day before yesterday they stopped at cross-examination with MI Senghor, that is one of the policemen or the police officers or their investigators, and then this is where they stop the proceeding, and then when they came they resumed the cross-examination between Sagar Jahade and then MI Senghor. So what they started was the defense counsel, that is Sagar Jahade, asked him how did he was able to find his independent witnesses. You know, in a case of this thing, when the police are taking your statement, they will go and look for an independent witness that will come and then be there and to make sure that your testimony was given fairly. There was nothing like you were forced to give out your statement. So that independent witness will be there to testify that your statement was voluntarily given, and then it was you were not forced by the police or harassed for you to give out something that you are not willing to do. So this is why they will always look for an independent witness, so that this individual will come and then also be there to witness this process. So his answer to that question was that for him, the 2 independent witnesses, as a police officer, the independent witness that they will look for is somebody who does not have any dealings with the police. They don't know people that they don't know, or people that don't have any dealing with them. Those are the people that they will look for as an independent witness. And he said he asked the 2 independent witnesses that were actually there when Cerno Mbaye and then Kibili's statements were taken. He said those 2 independent witnesses, one of them he met him at ECOWAS Avenue in Banjul here, and one of them was recommended to him by a friend. So he was asked these 2 people, that is Fabakar Kinde and then Babukar Kori. He said for Babukar Kori he never knew him, but Fabakar Kinde he used to see him around, as he said I do see him around. So it means Fabakar Kinte is somebody that he might not know very well, but he actually saw him around a couple of times, and the council put it to him that do you know that this same witness, that is Fabakar Kinte, appeared in the recently concluded NIA 9 cases, and 9 cases that was concluded some time ago. And he said yes, this man Fabakar Kinte was brought to him as an independent witness, and as an independent witness. So then that was when Consul Sakar Jahate put it to him that your independent witness are not even independent, because this is somebody that you've been bringing to serve as an independent witness for several times. They said at least for 5 times he appeared as an independent witness during the during the 9 NIA cases. So he said their independent witnesses are as independent as the word independent itself. So he didn't agree to that statement that was uttered by counsel that your independent witnesses are not independent. So still the cross-examination continued, and then he asked the witness, that's the prosecution witness, the cautionary statement plus the voluntary statement, which one did you guys actually took first? And he said they actually took the cautionary statement first. So the lawyer also asked the witness that the statement was taken a week before 20th of July 2022, but then the witness insists that the statements were all taken on the 20th of July 2022. And then the counsel said, I am putting it to you that the date the statement was taken is always written on the statement. And then he said yes, that is true. And then the counsel told him again, I am putting it to you that both the statements were taken without following the procedures with your team. That means the statements were taken in a manner that they didn't follow the police procedures. But then the witness, that is Senghor, M.I. Senghor, refused that. He said no, their statements were all taken according to police procedures, and he didn't accept that. And then from there, then the lawyer of Lamin Jobate, that is the defense counsel, objects that the counsel, that is the defense counsel Sahar Jahate, does not have the powers to conclude that those witnesses are not actually independent. That is left for the justice to decide, but then not her. And then this at this juncture, Sahar Jahate also stand up and said that they were guided by Section 202 of the Evidence Act. And then Lamin Jobat also quoted that Section 66 of the Evidence Act talk about something of that nature, that Sagar did not have the powers to say something that to say that the witnesses evidence or evidence are not the independent witnesses are not independent. So the justice that Ibrahim Ajare, who was sitting over the case, he said, then he gave out his ruling that the objection of lawyer Lamil Jobate has been overruled. He also cited some sections that the sections that they cited, that is section 202 and then section 66. He said section 202 is relevant while section 66 is not relevant. So he overruled the objection of defense counsel lawyer Lamil Jobate. So from there, still the cross-examination continued. With one of the with another witness, that is Bakar Diba, that is Assistant Superintendent Bakar Diba. He also worked with the police for over 12 years. He worked at the serious crime unit for 11 years, according to him. And then he said they were at the police headquarters when a file came from Bundun Serious Crime Unit, which bears the name of Chernombai and Kibri Dembe, and then regarding the death of Mohammed. And so this is why they went to the scene, that is Brusubi, to actually reconstruct the place to establish the cause of the incident. So he said he went there with his team of investigators to go and see what actually transpired at the scene. So that was the examination done by the council, that is Lamin Jobate. He is responsible or representing the state in the trial. Those are the witness. That is the witness. that woman. So you can see now the witness is going together with the lawyer, that is Lamin Jobate, and then the witness Adama. She is actually going to continue with her examination. Then from there, they will do the cross examination. The cross examination will be done by the counsel, that's the defense counsel. They will cross examine her to know or to establish the whole thing that is actually said by the witness. So the like I said, coming back to yesterday's proceedings, the cross examination continues again between Diba, that is Bakar Diba, and then then one of the defense counsel. He said and investigators were dispatch those people to go and check the place. That is Francis Jata, Jali Emai Senghor, Inspector Bunambas Manga, Corporal Sambambalo, First Class Umar Jame, and these are the people that went together with the accused persons. That is Chernombai, the second accused, and then Kibli Dembele, that's the third accused. Diba said. From there, the council asked, that is lawyer Jobate, because it was an examination. Lawyer Jobate asked where was the first accused person, that is Sainabou Mbaye, and he responded that the first accused person, Sainabou Mbaye, was out of jurisdiction, and that was why Sainabou Mbaye was not there. So he said upon arrival at the scene, that is at Brusubi, Chernombai take us through the apartment, and then for them to see, and also where the vehicle was parked, and then they made their examination of the scene. And then he said Chorno told them that the day of the incident, Chorno was the very one driving the car, and this information was from Chorno. And then he also gave them the information about the people that were on board the vehicle. That is Chernombai was driving. Beside her is Sainabou Mbaye, and then behind Sainabou Mbaye is the two kids of Sainabou. Then behind Chorno is Baby Muhammad. So in between Baby Muhammad and then Kibili, it's between the two kids of Sainabou Mbaye. That was narrated by Diba Bakar Diba. He even said that Charlombai actually showed them the position where Sainabou Mbaye was sitting, busy on her phone. And he said, having done all these needful things at the scene there, they draw a rough sketch plan, and that is to prepare the whole thing that has happened. And then he said they drove back to their office for the investigation to continue again. So that was when the prosecution, that is Lamin Jabate, tendered those sketches. There are three sketches that was designed or that was drawn by the investigators under the leadership of Bakar Diba. So this one, the three sketches were tendered as Exhibit 7A, 7B, and then 7C. So after these sketches were drawn, he said they continued back on their investigation, and the investigation was continued by his subordinates. That is M.I. Senghor, Corporal Sambambalo, Double Corporal Janki Emane, and the rest. They continue with the investigation. And then he said from there, from that investigation, it is clearly shown that Chornombai and then Kibri Dembele, they have a hand in the death of Muhammad, and that was why the two were charged accordingly, and then the files were forwarded to the prosecution for onward prosecution. That was what Diba said. So basically, these are some of the things that actually transpired yesterday. Like I was saying in Mandinka, we are at the High Court again today. The cross-examination together with the examination will be done on the witness that was brought by the state, that is Adama Bojang. She will continue with her examination. Then from there, the defense counsel will also do their cross-examination on the witness. So from there, the state will bring in another witness that will also testify regarding the case. So Sirif Conte is inside there, and he will actually brief us whatsoever that happened there. So for now, this is what we have for you, Government Talents TV.
If you want to receive monies from UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world, Supersonics Money Transfer has got you covered. With the largest payout network in the Gambia, you can now receive your monies anywhere you are, from Kartong to Koina, with less hassle. Yes! You can receive monies from your family and friends in UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world with our safe, secure, fast, and convenient service that offers you the largest selection of payout locations in the Gambia. Supersonics Money Transfer. We are currently in 34 African countries and counting, giving you quality money remittance services that are second to none. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple Store today to download the Supersonics Money Transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics.
TV to felende muruta nam fanan kotange dame yalon ko case membe keri njanyin temela high court banjul sado kono wolam Sainabou Mbaye Chorno Mbaye anen Kibli Mbaye ko mala yalo nyamen don bi somanda natale dame yalon ko examination o keta wala nyini ngaro ni jabiro dunda molti mamila yalon ko wolam state la molti anim fanan kata ila bulay la witness wala wo bota je yinatna witness do fan natna je fo sa enten aflantembe fole nyin temela don ko mal baje ka nyame paritale komi nga fala nyamen drom sirif konte biyele ataminale nana ta drom mol bon la kalmale kol tata nyame kol nyin tata je nyame so nde fem fono le me alon ko malon bawo mtel banta janne nder man dun kono to bare sirif konte nana ta to inshallah abe kibaro di la mullale according di wala mol inform la ko min kol tata nyame komi kal hakilo blani drom kido nyin dali tale ko mandinto andunge chajol men di wala manslolati anim fana exposing the child to danger comme wollon fende mi lalan ko yewo caajol la ñindi so abola ñama comme albaje kan ñamen drom silam pare ko dale andum molbe funde kan nan domani dame yalan ko ibe na kan sa mol pour ka say suwo kono ñinte mel drom be batndo banta jela kadum nga pala militaire jela aning prison service la official ibe lori jela ñinte mel la mi lalan ko wollon accuse pasinolti mo sabole ñinte mel le man funde nan folo bar jekira ko ñaaton dinka drom ibe fundinde la nan kadum security ñing wobe parandol ke kanne pour ke fundinde na banda wala ko mal baje kan nyamen don sa iflanding ay be fundi kan nanne wala ma accuse pasinol di Chorno Mbaye Kibli Dembeli aning Sainabou Mbaye ñi lo multimillion ko ye wala accuse ko ye bulo soto ñing ding na sa ya do ko mal baje kan nyamen don ñin temme wala wolbe kerin jang be kadala jela nga jibe ko bida kan je nyamen don misali inform accordingly. Alright, comme albaje kan jamen to ñinte mel comme nga fa ñame ñinte mel la ibe murundi kan dame yalan ko wala mu mal tuti alright comme albola je kan ten dron accuse pas zinol mil alan ko wala 2 minutes na ñinte mel albola je kan ten ibe dunde kam moto kono le ñinte mel la ten comme albola je kan ten dron comme ala jela security bijele mel alon ko wolon para militaire ani prison service la do kulal comme al bola je kanten ifananti ye dundi moto kono santen be murunde gam mal tule wala comme nga fa nyamen drom asif konde bijele ate be fundla nanen nana da be kibarol dila mol la ko nyin tara nyamen drom ababe senen la molele bar comme abe nyamen drom nyin tan la case nying nga jiko ya ajonne wala sirif so sirif nano
bi fanang mbal kontona doron sorry bi fanang mbal kontona mbal jela ngajele alnyabe moto minaka findi nyinte mola holem Sainabou Mbaye aning ala broda min keta Kibili min keta fenketi Chernoti aning Kibili Dembele bina family friend kunung mantere jam but mun keta nun wala witness all sedol min yalon ko bankola mulbe wolle nate ka wolle continue ta ka sede andiro di hani kabi so bi fana wolle continue ta ka to sede labango min nata non kunum min keta adama bojanti brusubi kordami yalon ko bring Sainabou nyol nyina dindi wala moto kono ya to kordami yalon ko tumo be sawun kan damen to kordami be nyati damen na wonin adama bojang wala keta adama bojang na koradi so o sabo kamala yate natina bankola moli ya natina pour ka ke sedoti afanansina lo kitibon nyati wala kunun adamu da kala sedo di kunun amanna pare bi amurunta nan pour kana continuer ala sedandiro la sedandiro nyin keta muneti wala dula nyin dinkira la location o korla nyin be nyaadi le aning moto jumalle nata korla nyin kono manam kol min yalon ko taman serol a wolle fo birata botaje ateketa PW 5T prosecution witness number 5 birata botaje 6 natanan wolem jumati wala keta atay Sainabou Mbaye doma muso yinti me yalon ko wolem dindigo mem banta wala ma bamati wo fanan natana pour kana testify kala kana la sedandiro di wala ala sedandiro damuta yin tembola afele wato banta time of 4 o'clock time o sitale fa tambita bari justice Ibrahima Jaite yitinde ko mole mabe parere ne pour nyin kito e continuer comme anyanta ka Kenya men andum tarde hani kilin kana soto je sabo kamala nata wato ta ka continuer fo aketa nyi wato di bari atemala sedandiro bang so kito nyin ya soundile sama talang kononto na tambita minti tan sabala 9:30 o'clock abe continue la koten ke jang o kola nate botaje atelbe sedandiro continue la ay men damuta bi nate botaje fanan koten ke mimbina sede do fanan bina mi yalon ko banko la moli be la firnde o fanan nan kana la sedandiro di wala sotota bi nyin tembola munta ko sedo lebina kan handika be kitio nyin handika bi sedo lebina kan kila sedandiro di adum bi kunun meya damuta me labanta kala sedandiro di atela la sedandiro laban bi mo kuto na tan bi o fana mata ban bi samale o bala sedandiro continue la balten to lambaje la what you are just saying is that as you all know, yesterday witnesses keeps on coming and testifying. The witnesses brought by the state. Yesterday, the last witness that testified here was Adama Bojang. Adama Bojang, somebody who is residing at a place where this incident occurred at Brusubi. He's a neighbor. She came and then narrate the incident, the account of the incident. From there, she left. And then the other witness also came, which happened to be Sainabou's younger sister. She also started testifying, but the judge, Justice Ibrahima Jaite, shows that he doesn't want any delay in this issue. For that being the case, today we went beyond the normal time just to make sure the case proceeds the way it's supposed to go. That is the reason why the delay occurred. And but her testimony is not finished. So tomorrow the case is adjourned to tomorrow 9:30, whereby the lady will still come back and then proceed the things she's supposed to deliberate on. So from there also we're supposed to have another witness that's supposed to come again. These witnesses are brought by the state. So just to remind you, the last witness for today was PW6 prosecution witness number 6. That is Sainabou's younger sister who testified here. Lundon wax moy pour ñu fatale ko nit ñi rek ne state bi manam deka bi mo nekk di indi sen ñoo nekk di indi still now sen witnesses yi because demba buñ doon pare witness bu mujjee woon moo nekk Adama Bojang moom dafa nekk koo xamante ne Bruce bi la dëkkoon fu incident bi happen fu scénario bi happen moom foofu la dëkka so looloo tax dëkka bi ñu indi ko pour mu ñëw mu explain daal maanaam mu explain lan ak lan la gis foofu ak lan moo happen ak environment bi foofu naka la meroon pour mu describe ko moom nag mu nekk koo xamante ne tey la jeexal testimony bi démb la ko dooroon tey lam ko jeexal te bu ko jeexalee tey ku ñëw tey mu nekk prosecution witness number 6 nekk Raki Sainabou Mbaye moom tamit start na pour testify tey nag dem nañ beyond the normal time boo xamante ne time boobu la gars yi day wàcca ndaxte justice bi Ibrahima Jaite wone na ne bugul benn delayance bugul benn tardement si case bi loolu waral time bi dem be time bi lañ rappom so moom nag jeexalut testimony fu mu nekk ni jeexalut ko waaye waxtu bi jeex na so case bi ajoon nañ ko ëllëg 9:30 moom dafa dellu si waat pour continuer jeexal testimony bi su ko defee keneen tamit dafa ñëw pour testify so as of now lii lañ leen amaloon Gambian Talents TV ngeen nekkoon di seetaan maa leen fi nekkaloon Sirif Konte di leen reportal fii si High Court bi si Banjul ñu ngi am suñ caméraman bi fii ak woman ñu ngi am Lamin Cissé mu ngi fi moom it ñu ngi am Babou Diahan mu ngi fi bokk nañ ci caméraman yi Sofia tamit mu ngi fi ñu ngi leen a sant di leen gërëm ñu ngi leen a wax ne rek da leen toppa Gambian Talents saa yu nekk pour ñu indil leen lana nekk di happen si High Court bi fii regarding case bi nii so fu mu ne nii ba ëllëg incha allah ñu delluwaat fii pour indil leen lanay happen waat jërë ngeen jëf.
If you want to receive monies from UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world, Supersonics Money Transfer has got you covered. With the largest payout network in the Gambia, you can now receive your monies anywhere you are, from Kartong to Koina, with less hassle. Yes! You can receive monies from your family and friends in UK, Europe, USA, Canada, Switzerland, and the rest of the world with our safe, secure, fast, and convenient service that offers you the largest selection of payout locations in the Gambia. Supersonics Money Transfer. We are currently in 34 African countries and counting, giving you quality money remittance services that are second to none. Visit the Google Play Store or the Apple Store today to download the Supersonics Money Transfer app and enjoy excellent money transfer services only with Supersonics.